Hi, I'm Raymond Lee from Raymond's Dental Solutions. In tough economic times, smart investments matter more than ever. Today, I want to share why the Yoshida CO2 laser is one of the best investments for your dental practice. First, it's all about patient comfort. The Yoshida CO2 laser is designed specifically to maximize patient comfort, leading to happier, more satisfied patients. And happy patients, they spread the word. Speaking of word of mouth, in places like Japan, patients actively look for clinics that use this laser. Imagine your patients becoming your best marketing tool. The Yoshida CO2 laser is also super easy to use. No complex manual or heavy training needed. Your team can master it quickly, boosting efficiency. It's reliable too, almost no maintenance and consumables, and built to last for over 10 years without extra cost. In short, the Yoshida CO2 laser is a game changer. Patient comfort, versatility, reliability, and long-term value. Invest in your practice today. Thank you for watching, and remember, your business success is my top priority.